Hello everyone, we are from group 6. Now we will make a video about realization and violation of the US values. So the purpose of this video is so other people out there who watch this video can learn from our mistake and apply the US values on their daily life. On Tuesday, April 23, there was a futsal practice at the Lentera High School field from 3 o'clock to 4 o'clock. It was only on Tuesday but also on Friday too. Tuesday also with my schedule for cleaning the house. On the morning of April 23rd, my brother and I got ready to go to school. As I prepared my clothes, I realized that there was a futsal practice at SMA Lentera field today, but I was too lazy to join because yesterday I helped my parents with guests from the church. Finally, I did not brought my futsal equipment to school. When I got home from school, my friend asked if I joined the practice, but I said no. After that, my brothers and I went home. But when we arrived, I still did my responsibilities like sweeping, mopping, and other chores because that day was my turn to clean the house. At home, chores like sweeping and mopping were usually done alternately. After doing the house chores, I did other activities like bathing, eating, and so on according to the time. From this experience, we learned that there is no excuse for being absent if you are truly pursuing what you want to achieve. It also learned to keep doing what has been said.
On the weekend, Friday and Saturday, I did my usual activities, but there were some that I did not carry out properly. On Friday, April 26, 2024, I did not do the El Capete exercise assessment given by Mr. Victor because I had a lot of assessment building up. And on Saturday, April 27, 2024, in the late afternoon, I got ready and went to my English tutoring. At the time, Mr. Victor get the assessment already from a few days ago. But because there were so many assessments that I'd made, so on Friday night, I immediately worked on my assessment, especially the math practice assessment given by Mr. Victor. I also often procrastinate my work because of my laziness to work so that it might acclimate it. So that in the evening, right 19 p.m., I started to finish all my assessment including math. After which I made it collected them. On Saturday, April 27, 2024, in the late afternoon at 4 p.m., I immediately prepared to go to my English tutoring and followed it well. And when I'll also get assessment from my tutoring, I will immediately do it so that it does not acclimate again. For my religions and functional activities, I learned to be more disciplined and responsible in doing things that should be done. Someday in future, when I get assessment from the teacher, I will immediately do it well and do not delay anymore.
So on Thursday, April 25, 2024, while at school during a math lesson taught by Mr. Victor, I forgot to do the homework that had been given by Mr. Victor. This was because at that time I was having a family event, so I forgot to do the homework. And I didn't collect it to Mr. Victor. But on the same day, specifically in the afternoon, I helped my mother to keep the house clean, such as throwing out rubbish, picking out rubbish, and sweeping up all the dry leaves around my house. At that time, during the math lesson, Mr. Victor gave us homework from 1 week ago. And at that time, I only took one subject, math. Then after that, I immediately go home because at that time I was having a family event. After all, I don't remember about the homework that Mr. Victor gave to me. At the class meeting the next week, I came to school and not doing the homework at all. From the incident, I can also learn, so I will not repeat the same mistake again and again. I had violated the values of the nation spirit and then returned home. I was already late. It was already late. I helped my mother to clean up their house, helped my mom to keep the house clean because there was a family from far away who came to our house. So I helped my mother to sweep the house, rake the leaves, tidy up the living room, and many more. In these activities, I have carried out the embodiment of values of the nation spirit as nation future children reflection that I as a student have full responsibility to be able to do and complete every assignment and exam that given by the teacher because this is my obligation as a student. And not only that of me, but as a child, I also have an obligation at home to help my parents and help the people around me and the successors of Indonesian nation. We have to be more careful in every activity that we do because we might be doing it without realizing it. Fearlessness of the values of the nation spirit, and if you let it continue, the future continue, our nation will become even more destroyed in the future and not more advanced because we are the one who are destroying the nation.
One day, to be precise, on Saturday, April 27, 2024, I practiced a manifestation of the 45 values, namely responsibility. I practiced responsibility at 3 p.m. when I was doing service preparation exercise for Sunday. I was responsibility for the task adjustment to me, and I really did my job. Today afternoon, I went to church for fasting prayer. After finishing the prayer, I went to the worship room for rehearsal. Before rehearsal, my friends and I cleaned the worship room and arranged the chairs from Sunday's worship. Although I heard the receipts with not enthusiasm, I tried to do my job well. After finishing the rehearsal, I cleaned the worship room again cleanly and neatly. But when I rehearsed, I felt that I lacked confidence even thought I had done it repeatedly. The conclusion of the story is that serving God must be with confidence. Serving God must also be with a sense heart. God wants to use us in any service, whether it is visible or invisible.
Kita sebagai penerus bangsa harus menerapkan nilai-nilai 45 dalam kehidupan kita sehari-hari karena dalam aktivitas kita sehari-hari tanpa kita sadari kita telah melakukan pelanggaran nilai-nilai semangat kebangkitan. Maka dari itu kita harus menerapkan dalam kehidupan kita sehari-hari.
Ayo terapkan nilai-nilai 45 dalam kehidupan sehari-hari.
That's all from us. Thank you.